Welcome to Lesson 3 of this chapter on navigating the key modules. In this lesson, I'll take you through an overview of the key modules, show you the Leads module homepage, and also how you can navigate through a lead record. As a reminder, we're following the coffee company and their journey through implementing CRM at their own company. In this video, we'll cover step 2 in the steps to successfully navigate Zoho CRM, where Stormy familiarizes herself with the key modules and their layout. 4 of the key modules inside Zoho CRM are the Leads module, the Contacts module, the Accounts module, and the Deals module. You can access these modules by simply clicking on them. Let's click into the Leads module. All prospective customers will start as a lead in CRM. For example, if someone fills out the Contact Us form on the coffee company website, their details will be automatically sent to CRM and they'll be added as a lead. This is just one way that leads can be added into CRM. As a customer goes through their sales journey with the coffee company, their records will be updated through these various modules. They'll start out as a lead. Once there's a sufficient likelihood that you'll be doing business with them, they'll be converted into a contact and account. And then once we really get into the sales pipeline and send them quotes, invoices, etc., this will all be done from the Deals module. Now, let's take a closer look at the Leads module homepage. In the center of the page, you'll see a list of the lead records. At the moment, it's set to all leads. You can change which records are displayed in this list by choosing a different view. For example, if I click over here, I'm currently showing all leads, but I could also show my leads, in which case Stormy would only see her leads, or she could see recently created leads, etc. Also from the top bar, you can create a lead by selecting Create Lead, and you can perform some other actions, such as mass delete or mass update. This can be done from clicking the Actions bar. Another way to change which leads are viewed in this leads record list is on the left side over here. This is the filters bar. By selecting any of these filters, you can change which of the leads are shown in the lead record list. By clicking on the lead, you'll open up the details on that lead. So I'll click on Christopher McLeod. This will take you to the lead record. This is where all the information on the lead that's stored in CRM can be found. From the top of the lead record, we can see the lead name. We can also click Send Email to send an email to the lead. Click Convert, which will convert the lead from a lead into a contact. Edit the lead, i.e. edit the lead details. And there are also some other actions that you can access by clicking on the 3 dots over here. The lead record page is broken up into 2 sections. The first section includes a summary of the lead details. And then if you scroll down, you'll also see the complete lead detail, which can be edited by simply clicking on it or by clicking Edit, as I mentioned previously. The second section of the leads record are the related lists, such as notes, attachments, and products. These related lists pull information from the other modules within CRM. For example, if I sent email communications to my lead, Christopher McLeod, I could click on Emails from the related list, and it would jump and show me all the emails that I've sent. And that is a summary of the leads record page. Familiarizing yourself with the layout of the key modules are important steps to navigating and working efficiently in CRM. In the next lesson, we'll go over the Contacts module and the Accounts module.